Question number 27. Blue light is incident on two narrow slits. Okay, these are the two slits. Constructive interference takes place along the lines labeled 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay. Okay, let me put a screen here. The blue light is now replaced by red light. What do you mean by it? Blue light is replaced by red light. It means blue is getting converted to red. The wavelengths are changing. What additional change is needed so that the lines of the constructive interference remain the same angular position? What do you mean by angular position? How do you measure this? Angular position is nothing but the ratio of capital beta divided by d. What is beta? Fringe width, which is nothing but lambda into capital D by small d divided by d. When this goes away, you get the answer as lambda by d. Now what is he asking? When you replace lambda, then this value should remain a constant. When will this remain a constant? This will remain a constant. If lambda is replaced, definitely this will increase, right? When lambda is replaced by lambda r, that means what is lambda b? Lambda b is around something like 560, okay, and lambda r is 650 over here. You are increasing it. When you are increasing it, this will increase. Now if you want to limit it, if you don't want this one to increase, what should you do? You should increase the value of d also, right? Now let us look at the options. What does it tell you? The blue light is now, okay, make the slits wider. Make the slits wider. No, I want this slit width should be the same. It should make the slits wider, then make the slits narrower, make the slit closer together, make the slits farther apart. Okay, so this is what you should do, which means what? So this is one slit here, other slit here. This is your value of d. So what you should do is you should keep one slit here, you should keep another slit here, and then this should be the opening. The value of d has to increase. So move the slits farther apart.